Hi you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be unboxing the Dr. Penn A7. So excited to be using this as a microneedling tool at home. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. My sister Maddie and I post videos about beauty, especially for moms, and things that you can use when you're on a budget. So hit that subscribe button, but let's get right into it. This is a microneedling pen that you can use at home. If you've done a microneedling session, you know the benefits. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box and how it works. So let's get started. So first and foremost, here is what the box looks like if we open it up. If I can. There we go. Here's what the box looks like. If we open it up, it's nice and organized here. We have our A7 pen, which comes in this nice bag right here. We also get 4 different cartridges. These are 12 needle cartridges, meaning that the cartridge has 12 needles on it, which is something you typically want to start with. It also comes with an instruction manual and, of course, the cord. Something to note about the A7 is because it's connected to the cord while you're microneedling, it does have a stronger motor, which is awesome. So microneedling can help with scars, it can help with skin pigmentation, it can help renew collagen. It has so many things that benefit your skin, and it's so exciting that it is something you can do from home now. The A7 pen retails for $269. Right now it's on sale for $179. If you think about it, a microneedling session itself costs anywhere from $100 to $700. So this pen pays for itself in one treatment. So here's what it looks like. Dials on it, and it's recommended that you always keep it at the lowest setting, especially when starting. That setting is going to determine the pressure of the needles, and then you would increase that as needed. It also has there on front the power button. And here on the bottom, you're going to see the different depth in which the needles can go. And it's recommended to start at, especially when you're microneedling, to start at around 0.5 and then increase from there, not usually to go above 2.5. 2.5 is really for heavy treatment and deep microneedling. You're going to plug in the DC adapter to the outlet and then plug in the DC adapter to the pen and plug this in to the wall. So next I'm going to go ahead and open the actual cartridge itself. I wear gloves while doing this because I want to keep this as sterile as possible. Anytime I'm doing something on my face, I want it to be pretty clean. Okay, so you're going to press it in and then rotate it clockwise. Okay, so that is nice and secure. To release it, I'm going to twist the opposite way and pull out. And that's pretty simple to put in. There's not a lot of resistance there or anything. Okay, so once the cartridge is in, you're going to want to remove the cap on top to reveal the needles. I'm gonna have to take that off. There'll be just a little bit of tension as you do that. And now you can see that the setting for the needle length is set to 0, and I can increase that so that the needles are now longer, and we'll go further into the skin, and I can decrease it. Again, best to start at around a 0.5 depending on what you're doing, but you want to start lower, especially your first time using a microneedling pen. And then same thing at the bottom here. I have the ability to increase and decrease the speed of the motor on the pen. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You can see that the pens are vibrating here. And then down here, as I increase the speed, you can hear the motor pick up. Again, start at the lowest setting and then work up as need be. Thanks for joining me today for my unboxing of the A7 pen. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. We are happy to answer any questions you have. We are so passionate about microneedling at home and want to help you guys as much as possible. Check out our other videos on microneedling to learn more. And in the description, you'll find a link to the Dr. Pen where you can go and purchase it. And you'll find links to other things that we love to use along with microneedling. Thanks again, and hope you have a great day.